Good memories are the key not to the past but to the future. Hey guys, my name is David Frank. Welcome back to my channel, Dave Vlogs. In this video, you will be traveling along with me to Coorg, the Scotland of India. I started my journey at 5 a.m. in the morning. My plan was to travel alone to Coorg, but my friends made some changes to my plan and joined me along the way. There are different routes you could take to travel to Coorg depending on your destination. Since we were traveling to Kutta, a small village near the Nagarhole Tiger Reservoir, we decided to take the Mysore route. The main reason we were going to Coorg is to attend our friend's niece naming ceremony. We decided to take a quick break at the cafe county. Make sure you are always hydrated on your ride. Once you reach the Rajiv National Park, the roads are amazing. The nature and the ambience helps you ride calmly through those roads. Make sure you do not stop in between or litter the place. Finally, we reached our destination at 10:30 a.m. Hey guys, so we've reached Coorg. We're at my friend's niece's naming ceremony. I'll show you all around the place. Let's go. After meeting all my friends, family members, we were just wandering in the temple, waiting for lunch to be served. Once the function was over, we decided to leave to my friend's place to spend the night there. Riding down these roads, I remember the last time I was in Coorg. It was completely a different experience. Coorg will always hold a special place in my heart. Following the directions Google Maps showed me to my friend's location, I got lost. It took me to the other side of the river from where my friend stayed. I realized it's not always good to depend on Google Maps for the directions. Finally, with the help of my friend's brother, I reached the destination. Guys, so we're just going on a small trek. Our boy Kaushik there, checking for elephant trails. It had been a long time since we all four met and got together. It was amazing to spend some time with each other. We actually trekked down to see a river, but unfortunately the river was all dried up. But yet we spent some time there and then left to our guest house. Once we reached my friend's place, we enjoyed the sunset, had a cup of coffee and started planning where we could go the next day. Due to COVID restrictions, we were not allowed to visit or travel through the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve route. So we decided to take rest and then leave early the next day. Got up early, captured the sunrise and then wandered around the place for a while. Kutta is a small town in Coorg that connects several tourist attractions surrounding it. It is surrounded by misty mountains, undulating rivers and cascading waterfalls. Kutta is also mainly known for serving as a gateway to the Nagarhole National Park. It also has a few options of homestays surrounding it. After exploring the place for a while, we decided to leave. So we packed our bags, thanked the people there and then left. On our way home, we decided to stop for lunch in Mysore at the Mahesh Prasad restaurant, and then we decided to stop at Guru Sweets to take some sweets home. It was an amazing experience riding to Coorg. I would like to thank people who hosted us and my friends who decided to ride with me. Hope you all liked the video. You all know the drill. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell notification so I'll get notified with my next video. Ride safe guys. Take care. Signing off, David.